In the Gospel today, Jesus puts forth a new diktat. Wasn't it enough that there already were the 10 Commandments? In the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 22, verses 36 to 40, when a Pharisee questioned Jesus about which was the most important commandment, Jesus replied, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind, and you shall love your neighbor as yourself." The whole law and the prophets depend on these 2 commandments. Yet, Jesus seems to summarize it all again when he says he is giving us a new commandment: love one another as I have loved you. Thus putting forth one simple, easy to remember rule of life. Can it be all that simple? Just that one diktat to encompass everything about being a Christian? Indeed, if we reflect on that powerful statement, we realize it is loaded with meaning. In using the words, "as I have loved you," Jesus commands us to look at His life, His way of love, to know how to proceed as true Christians. This is a very difficult command to follow in our everyday lives. It is difficult for us to love unconditionally like Jesus. Can we start in a small way by thinking, what would Jesus do? How would Jesus love? In any life situations when we have to make the difficult decision to love in spite of everything.
Lord, fill us with the flame of your enduring love, so that we may follow your example in all that we do and say, and love one another as you have loved us.